welcome to Quick Tech News, where we keep you updated in the world of tech without wasting your time. 3 years ago, the computer industry promised to double the speed of computer memory with the DDR5 spec. SK Hynix have just announced the world's first DDR5 modules, which they expect to start selling in Q3, or in other words, autumn 2021. But they're ready now, whenever systems can support them. So here they are. The stick in the front is 64GB, whilst the one in the back is 32GB. SK Hynix claims that this DRAM offers speeds of up to 5600 MHz, which is not the maximum that DDR5 spec would allow. That is 6400 MHz. But it's still like double the speed of standard DDR4 and uses 20% less power. The capacity is impressive too. AnandTech pointed out that 128GB modules are likely to become a thing for consumer use, and 2TB server-grade modules could also be possible. So what does this mean for you? Should you wait around until this DDR5 RAM comes along before you build the new PC? Well, not really. You have to remember that RAM speed increases haven't provided a significant boost in performance in games or applications for a while. Speeds are good enough that other components become the limitation. Even when it becomes available, it doesn't mean you'll actually be able to buy them. On top of that, it'll be a while before processors support DDR5. Intel have said they will be supporting it in future processors, probably starting with their 12th generation Alder Lake, whilst AMD haven't officially embraced DDR5 yet. If you really want blistering fast speeds and you want it now, you can buy some off-specification DDR4 sticks that are 5100 MHz, and you could try overclocking those to get even more speed. Be warned though, you'll be paying $900 for 16GB, so probably not worth it. Next and final in the news today, the PS5 has had an official teardown video to look inside and see all of its components. Firstly, it has a sophisticated cooling system. There's a large 120mm fan that draws in air from both sides, a heatsink which reportedly delivers the same kind of cooling you might expect from a vapor chamber like the one in the Xbox Series X, and it's even using liquid metal for the thermal compound on the AMD CPU to ensure long-term cooling performance. In other positive things, it seems it will be easy to add another SSD. Both of the curvy panels come off easily, exposing an SSD bay where you can install a second PCI Express 4.0 M.2 drive. This is a win for Sony and a loss for Microsoft, with their expensive storage expansion cards for their new consoles. The teardown also shows the rest of the components and a built-in power supply, so there's no annoying brick you have to hide. If you enjoyed this video, I would really appreciate if you could like the video, subscribe, and tell your friends to help get this channel off the ground. Thanks, and see you next time.